The first part is one is on what I call as paradox of modernity, modern education. So I found this very interesting factor that that ready-made knowledge in forms of linguistic data is being fed in, right, into the people, and we give them certain names, physics, chemistry, these are the tag names that are given. So these are just inputs, and measurement of outputs. Whatever has been given in, you test whether it is coming out. That is the and then the higher the rank, you get into IITs and ITs, that kind of situation. And this system is developed based on how to teach children, which means ready-made knowledge is there, input. So that's the system. And now it's interesting that there's a twist in the story now. This what they are now wanting is that they want to look at how to get AI assisted classrooms. That's a new story now, that the teacher's role is to help the AI to do the same thing. There isn't much difference in this. Same top down approach, and actually more alienation from the process, because even the person is not going to be there. So this is just a continuation of the same method, whether they use digital forms or whatever, from text to digital, it's not going to make much difference. So actually I was looking at machine learning and the growth of machine learning to artificial intelligence in the same process actually, which means that machine learning, what happens? Teaching the machines, so the input, the same process actually, input, and then you expect the output. Alright, but now the scientists want artificial intelligence, which means they themselves will learn autonomously. Understand? Autonomous learning is the basic research now being done. Am I right? Are you getting that point? Otherwise, all the inputs are given from outside, and you get whatever input you are given, that is what you will get out, based on that. That's what I meant. Understand? So, are you getting this point? Enabling the machines to learn on its own, that's what it means. Which is not what is happening in case of human beings. So what happens is that this whole artificial intelligence is being developed today by learning how children learn. That's the whole paradox actually. Now scientists all over are like all these places, this is just this thing, but all over the world there are far more organizations involved, spending, I think the most amount of money is being spent on developing this, researching on how children learn, and then based on that developing artificial intelligence. This is after all these years of researching on children, it's only now that they want to understand how children learn. Understand? And that too not for the welfare of children, but to develop machines that can again go and teach children. That's the whole paradox of this. So our choice now is whether we should learn from AI how to teach children, or we should learn from children how to learn.